Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Nigerian Jollof rice. You are going to puree your tomatoes, onions, and peppers in a food processor. And you will heat the oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. And your garlic. Add your spices. And saute until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then you want to stir in your rice. And your puree vegetable. Water. Your tomato paste. And salt. Bring mixture to a boil. Reduce heat to low. Cover the pot until the rice is all al dente. About 20 to 30 minutes. Don't overcook. If the rice seems a little dry, add a quarter cup of water and cover. Then your rice is all done. Thank you for choosing our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.